I think I will say something very obvious, but a lot of people don't do.
Hello everyone, welcome to Placement International. I hope you're all doing great. So today we're going to dive into a very important topic for anyone looking to build a career in hospitality. And I'm not going to do it alone because today we have a special guest. And let's get started. I hope you will like it. So let's welcome our special guest, Margarita. Hello, how are you?
Hello, nice to see you today. I'm good, thank you. My name is Margarita. I'm Talent Search and Development Manager here at Placement International. I've been with the company for over 2.5 years and successfully helping our J1 participants and all other applicants to get positions in the US.
Thank you, Margarita. So let's guys start. Today's topic that we're gonna cover is basically how to stand out in hospitality. So my first question to you, Margarita, will be what soft skills do you see as the most valuable in today's hospitality industry, and why are they in such high demand?
That's a good question. I will base my answer on experience we have with J1 participants right now and all the partners we work with. I would say emotional intelligence as well as cultural intelligence. Why? Because for all the companies who are hiring in the US, obviously cultural intelligence is for diversity, but also for people who are applying to understand American culture and American guest type of request, but also to in general build connection with the clientele. For example, we have companies who are very specific that the main clientele is senior group of people. So for them, it's very important that participants can articulate well and have really clear communication skills. While other companies really foster vibrant environment and want the applicants to be really outgoing because of the friendly environment they create. For example, we have Miami Edition that is very specific for that, and it's known that the guests coming there have really personalized type of experience because it's just you come there and you with your friends and not the service.
Yes. So what I would like to mention too, I completely agree with you, Margarita. I think that it's very important to be internationally friendly, to understand every culture, and like that you will be more comfortable when working in the property. So yes, I agree with you. Thank you so much, Margarita. So my next question will be, beyond skills and experience, what qualities make a candidate stand out in the hospitality hiring process?
I would say eagerness to learn and enthusiasm. That's definitely something our interviewers looking for, especially again, the J1 program, it's a training opportunity. So apart of the fact that they have the training plan they would follow, of course, there are always some tasks that pop up due to business demand or there are special events. For example, let's say recently there was a Super Bowl in New Orleans. So I'm sure the participants there had specific tasks related to this, to accommodate the guests who are arriving for this game. So it's always important to be enthusiastic about new tasks, about the learning experience, and even in interview process, it happens that sometimes our J1 participants would do the even practice call with us, and they're really like super stiff, and it's really hard to read from them that they want to have this opportunity. So we cannot see the enthusiasm. Maybe it's a little bit of being shy, maybe it's not feeling confident enough, but it's really important to show the enthusiasm, to be with a smile, and I think this creates a connection with the interviewer, and in general in the future in the training you get better experience.
Yes, so as I understood you right, you're telling it is preferably for people to relax and to be themselves how they are and to show their personality and everything.
Indeed, of course it depends on each brand, but I think that's what's important, that you fit with your own personality for what you want to do. But yeah, eagerness to learn overall, to strive for new knowledge, new experience.
My next question will be, is a formal degree essential for success in hospitality, or if a person only has a hands-on experience, it can also benefit him for when applying to an internship?
I would say there's no right or wrong. Let me give example for, let's say, with education. I think it's definitely helpful to have a degree in hospitality or in culinary if you're applying, because it shows that you committed from the start to this career path. You've been interested since young, you want to gain knowledge and be growing in this field, so it helps. Also, for example, some of our partners already been to in-country career fairs, so they visited the schools. They understand what type of program they have, so it's nice to have on resume the school, oh, I visited this, I know how students are there, so it's helpful. Or, for example, again related to J1 experience, we have some companies who already had previous J1s from this particular schools, and they say, oh, I love this candidate, meaning the school is good, so that helps. And in general, again, as I said, it shows that the person is committed to the career there. However, their hands-on experience obviously is very important, because you already know how to handle things from your personal experience. I think here the good part with J1 program, again, you can be eligible either based on your education or based on your experience, like we have the trainees. And about the experience, I would be giving example. We have hotels that work with conventions and they have over 1,000 rooms. So for them, it's very important to hire profiles who already had some either similar type of experience, already been confident enough to participate in such a deep program, because obviously you can learn in the kitchen, but when you need to operate for big convention and with 1,000 rooms, you need to have some strong skill set already, as while you're still getting the training, they cannot babysit you because it's quite a big production.
Okay, so as you can see, guys, either you have a degree or just a hands-on experience, everything can work. It's just your passion, and if you really want it, you can get it.
I really want to highlight that there is opportunity for any type of profile. There is always something open from the beginner level till really advanced level.
What's one essential piece of advice you'd give to anyone applying for a hospitality job to stand out in today's competitive market?
I think one essential piece would be, I think I will say something very obvious, but a lot of people don't do. Firstly, following different brands that you're interested in on social media. It could be LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, any other platform you like to follow. Because there, when you watch their content, you understand what type of values they try to translate, what culture they have, how they treat their employees, how they treat their guests, in hospitality especially, what type of services they have, what type of amenities they have. We have hotels who really focus on sustainability, who are pet friendly, and they highlighting it, they have their own pet on property. That is signature pet of the property. We have companies like Little Nell who offer ski in, ski out, and it's very special type of service. So I think it's very important to understand the product and the culture and everything. So following them on social media helps you to highlight and connect to it better during your interview. And in addition to that, it's obviously connecting with the interviewer. Not so many people do it anymore, and I think that's something really obvious, that you can, most of the HRs are really active on LinkedIn, for example, so you can send them an invitation, mention you either having an interview with them soon or you just had it recently and you would like to stay in touch, and this usually adds an extra point for your application. And even if you don't pass, maybe at this particular moment, you stay in touch for future opportunities, which is also very important.
I wasn't even thinking about that. So even right now, it's a very good tip for me, as if I'm gonna be applying for a new job, I will gonna do that. So thank you so much for that. So thank you a lot for this interview. It was very helpful for me, and I hope that for you guys too. I hope to see you very soon for another interview, and thank you so much.
Thank you, Anna, and thank you for watching us.